earth, where even a single new bud could never bloom. But I will still burn, and keep on burning, until new life rises from the ashes! I know it. Everything's far from over.
If embracing fate is also a form of resistance,
Then
this time,
I shall embrace death!